Sorry for the jump scare, but it was necessary. I mean, look at this. This is my hair in the morning. It's really messy and disgusting. And you guys wanted to do a routine. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give you, this is me, Demi Lovato, and we're gonna get going on my routine. Disclaimer, I am not a hair guru, okay? I am not about to like give you, here's the 20 steps that I take. I don't have time for that. So if you're looking for a quick, easy, fun, maybe, little tutorial to how to do curly hair, let's go. So for the first step, you're gonna get your hair wet. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower and I'll show you the products I use too. I won't leave you high and dry. All right, ready? Hair transition, flip on 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Done, hair is all washed. Now you're like, huh, why isn't she wearing makeup? It's like in the movies, they do that. Every time they get out of the shower, they always have full face makeup on. Well, I wanna be authentic with you guys because if I put makeup on, my hair will be dry by now. Candy cream. This is what I use, guys. This is leave-in curl conditioner. This stuff really, really works. I will say about this, it is a little heavy. So just make sure don't put an extreme amount in because it will weigh your hair down and it will feel kind of greasy, which is hard to do for curly hair, but this will do it for you if you put too much in. So I'm gonna show you my technique for how I put it in. For my gals with the claws, this is what I do so I don't get it under my nails. I like take my pointer finger like a scooper and I go like this and I get that much out, like a dollop. And now I get it on my hands and I rub it around like it's lotion. And then I go through one, I go through the other. And then this is like the part that gets really crazy. I'm gonna have to move my camera to show you. All right, ready? So what I do now that I have the product in my hair, I flip it. I flip my hair over and I make sure I run it through just the bottoms. You really want the bottoms of the product because if you put it at the top of your hair, it's gonna be greasy. Then I take both of my fingers and I run them through, I rake them through my hair, just like so. And it should go through. I comb my hair in the shower. And then you wanna just take the bottom and scrunch it a little bit. You really wanna make sure that the ends get it because if the ends are dry and nasty, then everything else looks bad. Also, I meant to show you, this is what I use in the shower to comb my hair. It's supposed to be for detangling curly hair because you can get more like a grip on it. And it really doesn't hurt as much. I will say that I prefer a regular brush because I like to rip. But if you want to save your hair, this is a better option. Also wanted to mention, in the shower, I use this. It's BioKeratin. It's for curly hair. This is a big thing in conditioner. Now you're like, what about the shampoo? Great question, and I'm not going to BS you. I did not use shampoo. I use it like once or twice a week, and it's just whatever I have in the shower. Now, my friends, we've made it to this point, right? We've got a product in our hair, and honestly, sometimes I just leave it like this. But if you leave it to dry like this, it will be really flat on the top. So I have something that I love. If you don't feel like doing a full out like blowout with the diffuser, I have this thing. It's a Diva Curl U-Twist, I think that's what it's called. Anyway, basically it's just like a microfiber towel that fits on your head really securely and you can walk around and do whatever and it makes that your curls are not frizzy when you take it out. I'll put it on for you. I'm actually gonna blow dry my hair in this little hair routine, but I just still wanna show you how to use it because my mom couldn't figure it out. So I was like, all right, I'll show you guys. So first you're gonna take this, which is the base, and you're gonna flip your head over, like so. Put that base there. It's really easy. It's just like using a regular towel. And then you're gonna take all the hair that's in here and you're just gonna twist it. And then you're gonna find this baby, this little elastic, and then you're gonna put it in the back of your head on the button. Ta-da! And here I am. And the cool thing about this is like when I went to go purchase this, I was like, I don't know if I really need that. I mean, like I can use a t-shirt, like a t-shirt works fine. But what's nice about this, it feels like you're wearing a wig cap. Everything's just very secure. So like when you walk around and stuff, it's not a giant heavy towel on your head. But anyway, I am going to blow dry my hair. So let me take this off and get my blow dryer out. Sorry guys, we had to move our operation to the bathroom because none of the outlets in my house worked with this. I thought I was like, oh, it's just broke, but just works in this bathroom. So, oh well. All right, so here we go. So first you're gonna take your hair in sections. I would say no bigger than like this. And then you're gonna put it in the barrel, in the bowl, excuse me, of your diffuser. Then you're gonna hold it to your head like so. And okay, so I forgot to mention, make sure you hold it in the section for like 15 to 20 seconds. Anyway, it's a little dark in here, so I can't really show you what it looks like. So let me take you to a brighter space. Whoa, guys, that was literally crazy. I just tripped and fell into a full face of makeup. Insane. Anyway, here's the finished product. Very fun. Try to show you. Wow. Angles. Here we go. Slow motion, model pics, ready? Okay, in my hair. All right, so here it is. Here she is. So I have like a very distinct type of curl. I think it's 3B, I believe. So this is what it looks like on me. This is by me raking through my hair to get like the tinier curls. Some days it comes out better than others. When the ends don't come out, that is your warning to get a haircut. I had to get a haircut because my ends are just a little dead. But anyway, here is the finished product. One more thing. Make sure when you're blowing your hair, don't blow it completely to dry because then it's gonna get really frizzy. Blow it to where you see the curls are formed and then bow out and give yourself like 15 minutes to let it just sit like that. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a frizzy mess. Anyway, this is how I do my hair. I hope it helped some of you. Like I said, not a hair guru, but I mean, it comes out kind of good, I think. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other type of videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments.